All ingredients are renewable, sustainable and natural. Every jar is made from recycled packaging. Used for cleaning espresso machines. Eliminates coffee residue in group heads and valves. Phosphate-free formula. First ever entirely green coffee equipment cleaning product. 100% phosphate-free and all ingredients are renewable, sustainable, and naturally occurring. For use with traditional espresso and filter coffee equipment. Powder formula eliminates coffee oils and residue in espresso machine group heads, valves machine lines. 100% recyclable jar. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to use and very effective. Used this with a Zojirushi stainless steel carafe yesterday that hadn't been thoroughly cleaned in years. Gross, I know. I'd previously used the blue liquid cleaner from Urnex a while back that was made for commercial coffee maker carafes, but I seem to have misplaced that bottle in our recent move. Saw that this powder was more eco-friendly and gave it a shot. The instruction said to put a half a teaspoon into the brewing basket directly for 64 ounces of water. I was super skeptical about how that tiny amount could possibly clean it, but gave it a shot. After letting it brew and sit for about 45 minutes, forgot about it, came back to a sparkling clean carafe. Afterwards I rinsed the carafe and basket thoroughly. I was pretty amazed, and it was definitely far easier to use than the blue liquid cleaner, and way cheaper too. We'll be using this regularly from now on.